Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Firebase to N8N. First, go to the N8N platform and click on Add First Step. In the search bar, tap HTTP and select the HTTP request option. Now, choose the method you want to use such as delete, get, head, or others depending on what action you want to perform with Firebase. After that, enter the Firebase endpoint URL in the URL field. Next, choose the authentication type. You can select from None, Predefined Credential Type, or Generic Credential Type. Now, select the appropriate credential type based on your Firebase setup. This might be a custom API setup or token-based access. For example, if you're using an API key, select the credential type accordingly. Click on Select Credential and then click on Create New Credential. Here, enter the API key provided by Firebase. Once you've added the key, click on Save. Now, scroll down and configure additional options if needed. You can turn the toggles on or off for sending query parameters, sending headers, or sending a body with your request. This helps in customizing how the HTTP request communicates with Firebase. Once everything is configured, go back to the main workflow and check your setup. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.